All right, let's do a weather check right now. I like checking the temperature. Let's see what it is. We got 78 degrees right now. Amazing. Point Pleasant. June 6, 2020, June 7th, 2026. Rolling and rolling. Awesome, awesome, awesome time down here. Let's do a time check. It's actually 6:39 right now, p.m. Just unbelievable weather, great temperature, just super awesome. Super, super awesome right now. Got the candy spot right here. Candy and all that. Yeah. Candy fluff, candy apples, gummies and Lego blocks, and sour, blue raspberry bears, all kinds of candy here. Sticky candy. Oh, back here some chocolate. Wow. That's my style, chocolate. Milk caramel clusters, dark almond bars, pretzels. Wow, very cool. Very cool spot. They got the soft pretzels. All right, let's go, let's go. Point Pleasant. Always a good time down here. Always nice and easy and relaxing walking around here. It's a very safe place. They really go hard. Like right now, it's early in the season, but they go hard with the security and police on the boardwalk, like more than the other boardwalks around here, from what I've seen. I don't know about this year. Every year it might be different, but yeah, they beef up the security up here hard in the summer, which is pretty cool. Let me make sure Big Guy's all right. All right, Big Guy's okay.
Yeah.
I got him plugged in. He might be going a little sideways. I'm trying to make sure he doesn't. Big Guy's got a mind of his own, but he's good. I think he's good. So far, so good, Big Guy. Our Pocket 3 camera. Little Big Guy. All right. Huh?
Diosito nos dio un don.
And they have the fun house. Seaside doesn't have a fun house. Yeah, that would be Bulbasaur. Very, very slow.
Yeah, or this thing.
I feel like I remember being that kid asking like something.
All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's rock and roll, let's go, let's go, let's go. Jersey Shore, Point Pleasant, June 2026.
Step right up. Step right up. You've got what it takes to test your skills.
Lower down, anywhere.
I don't know about right now. I've seen like
Got the pizzas. All right, let's go. All right, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That girl's really good at soccer. All right, let's go, let's go.